Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Modesto local and long-distance movers near me. Sometimes a new job, a new house, or changes in your personal life lead to a long-distance move. Moving your belongings or your car across the country can seem like a considerable expense and a hassle to plan, but hiring moving companies in Modesto to handle it takes away a lot of the stress and could even save you money. 3 Movers offer you the following advantages when you choose them for your long-distance move: affordable prices, delivery on time, and great customer service. Even if we are perfectly capable of shipping cargo across the seas from one corner of the country to another, we don't shy away from local moves. Our local movers in Modesto can handle your move to the Modesto area, keeping our prices low and the quality of service high. You can choose from simply transporting your things with one of our trucks to a full-service move that includes packing, unpacking, providing packing materials, etc. Whatever service you need, you can choose us as your local Modesto movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Modesto moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.